How to derive Engel curve for a good given the utility function as u is equal to under root xy, where x and y are the two goods consumed by the consumer. Price of good x is 5 and price of good y is 2. We are supposed to derive the Engel curve for good x. Now Engel curve shows us the relationship between income and quantity demanded of a good while holding the prices constant. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we need to solve it for utility maximization. That is, we want to maximize the utility of the consumer, which is equal to x raised power 1 upon 2 times y raised power 1 upon 2 if I rewrite it subject to the budget constant, that is price of good x times units of good x plus price of good y times units of good y should be equal to the income of the consumer. Specifically, price of good x is here 5, so we have 5x plus price of good y is 2, and it should be equal to the income of the consumer. So we can use the tangency condition here. That is, we know that if we have good x on the horizontal axis, good y on the vertical axis with the given budget line, so this is our budget line, consumer will try to achieve highest level of satisfaction, and highest level of satisfaction will be achieved at a point where the indifference curve and the budget line are tangent to each other. That is, so for utility maximization, marginal rate of substitution between good x and y should be equal to the ratio of the prices. Okay, MRS, as we know, it is the ratio of the marginal utility of good x and marginal utility of good y. It should be equal to the ratio of the prices. Okay, so marginal utility of good x is the change in the total utility due to the change in the consumption of good x. Marginal utility of good y is the change in the total utility due to the change in the consumption of good y, and it should be equal to the ratio of the price px upon py. Px is 5, py is 2, 5 upon 2. So differentiated with respect to good x, sorry, here we have x only. So if I differentiate it with respect to good x using power function rule, the exponent becomes coefficient. So we have 1 upon 2, x raised power exponent is subtracted by 1, it becomes negative 1 upon 2, and y raised power 1 upon 2 remains the same because we are taking the partials with respect to x. Likewise, du upon dy means the derivative of this partially with respect to y. So exponent of y becomes coefficient, x raised power 1 upon 2 remains the same, and exponent of y is subtracted by 1, so it becomes negative 1 upon 2, and it should be equal to 5 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 gets cancelled. If we solve it, transpose this y to numerator, this x to denominator, we will get y upon x will be equal to 5 upon 2, or y will be equal to 5 upon 2 times x. Okay, now what we do, we plug y is equal to 5 upon 2 times x into the budget constraint. So we have 5 times x plus 2 times y is 5 upon 2. Oh, okay, 5 upon 2 times x, and it should be equal to the income of the consumer. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so we have 5x plus 5x, which is 10x, is equal to m. So this is our Engel curve. That is, Engel curve will be equal to m, which is income will be equal to 10 times x. So it shows us the relationship between income and the quantity demanded of good x while holding the price constant. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.